Hey folks, I got another video for you. I have a Peerless faucet. Let's see what's in the box. Okay, here's everything that's in the box. Here's the tools that you will need. This Allen wrench is a 9mm. This is the tool that actually comes with the kit. This 9mm actually goes up inside there so you can turn it. You can do it this way as well. That way you get some leverage on it, but you don't want to tighten it up too tight. You can also take a small screwdriver and stick it in this hole if you got room in there and turn it. So that's just how that works. First thing you want to do, shut off your main water. Next thing I want to do is I want to open up the valve, get the air through it so that water drains back down to the basement. Then go ahead and drain your water at the lowest point. If you have a basement, get all the water out of the drain. That way you don't have no water upstairs. The next thing I'll have to do is go ahead and remove this faucet here and get it out from under the sink. Okay, as we go down underneath here, there's the pipes. As you can see, I have two shut-off valves, one for the hot, one for the cold. That's just in case something happens to the faucet, in case it fails and starts leaking. I can quickly shut it off. Now if we go on up underneath here, there's my faucet attachments and stuff. Now right there's a bolt I have to take out, and there's supposed to be another bolt right there, but it looks like it's broken off. And then I'll go over here and take this sprayer out. As you can see there, just take the big plastic nut off of it. It should come right out. Now go ahead and take the crescent wrench and put it on this nut right here and break this loose. And take this line off. This is my hot water. Then go over to the other side, and this is my cold water. Put your crescent wrench on that little nut right there and break that line loose, and go ahead and take it off as well. Okay, we got the faucet out that was right there, the sprayer head that was right there, and now we'll go ahead and start assembling the new faucet. Okay, go ahead and grab your plate that came with the kit. Go ahead and grab the faucet. What we're going to do, I want to take all of these hoses and I want to put them through this hole. And now that I got all the hoses inside this, as you can see, all I got to do is push this up. It's got little bitty indentions coming off of this. It's got little bitty indentions in this as well. Just push it up in there. Now depending on which way you want your faucet to face, and I'm wanting mine to face this way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shove all these hoses down through this hole right here. Make sure you get all the hoses down in there. Okay, turn that around. Now we got it set on top. Get it where you want it. We come down and there is that threaded rod coming through there. Going to put a nut on it. I'll show you how that is done. Okay, there's the nut that's going on. Here's like a washer that holds the faucet on, and everything so far that I've seen has got a rubber seal on it. And here is a specially made little socket wrench that they provided for us. Here's how the spacer goes on. It has got indentions in it to make it fit that way. Now I'll go ahead and put the nut on it. Now if you have to, go ahead and push your hose through there, because if you don't, you're not going to have enough room with that special wrench that they give you to put the nut up on there. Okay, now that I got it up on there, I'm going to take an Allen wrench and stick it in that hole right there, and I'm going to tighten it down. Now that I got it good and tightened down, I'll take this piece right here and that piece right there, and I'm going to connect them together. I'm going to go ahead and connect the hot to the hot and the cold to the cold. Okay, now that everything's hooked back up, got to put this weight on the line. You need a Phillips head screwdriver to get the screws out, and I'll show you where it goes and how it affects the faucet. Make sure you know how much of an extension you want to go into the sink for your sprayer here before you put this on your hose. Okay, I've got the weight on. Okay, now all you got to do is pull on it, and it stops right there. And I got mine going down in the sink where it touches the sink to where I can hang it over the sink. Now all I gotta do is push it back up in there, and the weight helps to pull it back up and snaps it back in place. Now I'm going to go ahead and install this soap dispenser into that hole right there. Now I'm going to go ahead and take this bottle here off. I'm going to fill this up with soap. I'm going to take this nut right here off. I'm going to stick this right down through here. We'll get underneath there with this and run it up on there, tighten it down, and then put the soap dispenser bottle back on it. Okay, the soap dispenser is mounted. Now all I gotta do is put the soap dispenser bottle on there after I fill it with soap. Okay, there it is. Works. Like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. Thanks for watching.